So for the handful of students that did not finish the 1 through 7 questions on the back of the multiplying and dividing integers worksheet, here's some help. So for question number 1, it's talking about Graham. His problem is that he's starting at the beginning of the month with $47.86 in his bank account. And then all these different things happen to his account. What you need to think about is you start with $47.86. Then you're going to subtract $25.20. Then you're going to add $52.75, and so on, with the minus 2204, minus 850, and plus 9411. When all is said and done, you should have 138.98. Yesterday, Ignacio's bank account was negative $54.31, and today it's $65.10. What is the change in Ignacio's balance? One thing you could do is $65.10 minus negative 54.31. And whenever you subtract, you should add. And the opposite of negative 54 is positive. When you go about doing that, you'll get 119.41. Now, there's two answers that have $119.41. This one's negative. Would it make sense if you had negative $54 and you lost another $119 that you'd be up to 65? These two answers are stupid. This is the only answer that makes sense. Number 5. What can the sum negative $47.27 plus $598 equals $550.73 mean in terms of a bank account? Withdrawn would be something is $550 is getting subtracted from the account. Is that what's going on? Nope. It was added $598. $550 was deposited. Deposit would be this being added. Nope. $550 is needed to bring the balance to 0. To be able to get an answer to 0, this number would have to be negative. So it would be negative 550 plus 550 would equal 0. Yet again, not the answer. 550 is in the account. This is what's left after everything's said and done. That's what this is talking about. If we go back up here, the elevation of the surface of the Dead Sea is negative 424.3 meters. In 2005, the height of Mount Everest was 8,844.43 meters. How much higher is the summit of Mount Everest? If here's Mount Everest way up here, and here's the Dead Sea down here, you're looking from the distance from here to here. Distance. Can distance be negative? No. Therefore, that's gone, and so is that. So we're down to these two numbers. All you really need to do, 8,844.43 minus negative 424.3. Same rules apply. Whenever you subtract, you should add the opposite. So add the opposite, and you end up getting choice D. Go down here. Yesterday, the temperature at noon was 11.4 degrees. It was 11.4 degrees. By midnight, the temperature decreased by 15.7 degrees. What is the temperature at midnight? The key word is decreased. So you start at 11.4, decrease by 15.7 degrees, meaning you subtract 11.4 minus 15.7. When you go about doing that, you get negative 4.3. Come down here. This one's a lot easier than a lot of people think. Which expression can go in the bank to make the equation true? Negative 4.5 plus 4.4 plus something equals 0. If you add these together right here, you get negative 0.1. So knowing that, we need to figure out that this equals 0.1. Negative 6.7 plus 6.8 is 0.1. So that is our answer. But let's do the other ones for fun. Negative 6.7 plus negative 6.6. Same signs, add and keep, so we get negative 13.3. 7.2 plus negative 7.2. Those are opposites, so they equal 0. 7.2 plus negative 7.3. Different signs subtract. Take the sign of the larger. So the only one that's a positive 0.1 is choice A. Finally, you come down here. Scientists determined that Antarctica's average winter temperature was negative 34.44 degrees. The difference between this temperature and Antarctica's highest recorded temperature is 49.44 degrees. What is Antarctica's highest recorded temperature? So, if you're at negative 34.44 degrees, that is your average temperature. We're looking for the highest temperature. So the temperature needs to be warmer than negative 34.44 degrees. So just looking at the choices, choice A is impossible because that is way colder. Now, from here, it must go up because we're looking for higher. So add 49.44. When you add them together, you get positive 15, which is choice C. Hope this helped. Good luck.